Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today I am at New York City Comic Con. So this is my second year coming here. I almost didn't even come this year because last year I was completely scarred by the number of people here and I was like, I don't want to go again. But anyway, somehow ended up here again. So I want to show you guys around. It's pretty much the same as last year. A couple of new vendors that I saw, and I'm just gonna make some nonsensical comments throughout, so I hope you guys enjoy. The amount of people here is absolutely staggering, like holy moly. So we're making our grand entrance into Comic Con. I can barely move. So I found a couple of mystery bags over here. It's just random stuff in lunch bags, and I can't help but think that these are complete scams. You can get a bag of death for $45 or a shut up take my money for $70. Oh my god. And I don't know what that is, that's way too long, but it's $200. This t-shirt here is a little bit childish for me, so I'm not going to get it, but it is a cat with a whole bunch of sashimi and sushi and salmon around it. I feel like this shirt was designed for me. So forget the first one, look at this one. Apparently cat and sushi is in a unique combination. Oh, I love Gudetama. It's a coin bag. Oh, he's so cute.
I'm gonna drink this.
The Dragon Ball Z fans, this is for you. Oh, I love this guy's costume. Look at that. A sucker for Pusheen. Look how clever this is. I would not want to be pushing this around though. I got this banana plushie pool. Look. So basically it's a whole bunch of little cats in banana peels. I don't know if you guys can see. And you kind of just jump in. I want to jump inside. That is so funny. So I just spotted the Jelly Belly booth, and I'm going to go there because last year they were giving away free jelly beans and I wanted some free jelly beans. Actually, never mind. There is a severely long line for free jelly beans. But then there's Batman made out of jelly beans. And here are some more mystery boxes. This one over here is $500. Ooh, this one comes with a free gift. I'm almost tempted to get one, but not at those prices. I kind of like the idea of the mystery bags more, because at least you get a bag and you know how it looks like. I've never seen sneakers being sold in capsules, but that is pretty cool. How to speak cat and dog. And here's where all the tired humans sit. Oh my god! It's so big! So I spent an hour at Comic-Con already, and I didn't spend any money, so I was very good, very proud of myself. But then I saw Medieval Times, and I've been wanting to go, so I just bought 4 tickets. Yeah, gonna take the family, $140 down the drain. How much money Comic-Con generates. So I have a really good childhood friend who's obsessed with Pugs. I found this ginormous one. That is absolutely hilarious. The little pugs in donuts. I'm also at the Turtle booth. I am tempted to get one of these t-shirts. I really love this one. Sorry I'm late, I didn't want to come. And then there was another one that I really like too. This one's cute. I can't adult today. The burrito. This one's adorable. And then I can't find the one that I had my eye on. Hold on, let me look around the corner. Oh, that one, right here. It says, hippity hoppity, death is on the way. And I just love the dark humor. And they also have enamel pins as well. Like I said, the dark humor, I don't know why I love it so much.
How'd you get here?
Totally 5 years old right now. Donald and the Golden Crayon. Make picture books great again. And here is the women's bathroom line. Look at this bathroom line, my goodness. I think it goes all the way back. I never found this booth because it is actually one of my favorites. I think these little toys are so cute. They're called Hallmark Itty Bitties. The Ninja Turtle ones is too much. Got some Hogwarts action here. And the Willy Wonka ones are hilarious. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I am very tired, even though I've only been here for 2 hours. And I'm going to be back tomorrow, but I'm not going to vlog tomorrow because I'll be with my little cousins and I want to spend time with them, of course, and also have to watch out for them because kids can easily get lost here because there's so many people. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this kind of impromptu, unstructured type vlog. It is very fun, but like I said, very tiring. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Before you go, take a look at this. Oh my god. Oh, I'm in heaven. It's $48 though.